In this video, I'm going to show you how to record audio in DaVinci Resolve 18. So all you need to do, just go and open your DaVinci Resolve application and create your project or open your project. As an example, at the bottom you'll find a lot of tabs. If you go and click here on the Fairlight, as an example, you should find yourself here. We'll be able to go and add basically a sound from here. You may notice that this is DaVinci Resolve 17, but it's the same as 19. Same options. As you can see right here, we'll not be able to add anything because if you didn't add any media, you'll not be able to do anything. So first of all, we would like to add some media to our projects here so we can add or record some voiceover using our microphone. I just took here as an example of video and I added to the timeline. As simple as that. I'm going back now to Fairlight. So on the audio, I'll have to right click that, go to track and choose mono or stereo, depending on whatever you want and depending on the setup of microphone that you have. For me, I'm just going to choose stereo. So for this audio, I'm just going to change it and I'm going to change it into something so I can record. So my voiceover, I'm just going to name it my voiceover like that. So in here, I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see here, for the inputs, I'll find no inputs. If I go and click on the inputs, I'll have to choose my input. So it's going to be this one. I'm just going to make sure it is selected. And of course, you can see audio inputs, everything, or you can go and have an example. This is just like filter if you have multiple microphones. So once you click on it, basically, you should go and click on patch. And once you click on patch as example, you can just go and close this tab now. Of course, make sure it's connected to the audio that you added. If it's not, you should make sure it is. So make sure it's not connected to audio L or right or anything else. So make sure it's connected to both. Oh, sorry, I didn't connect it to both. So you'll have to connect it to my voiceover on the left and on the right. So just go and click on patch. Now they are together. That's good. So now right here on this list panel, you should have to go and click on R to enable recording because I am recording on my like microphone. This is the microphone that I'm recording with at the moment. So if I click on that option, as you can see, this is just to enable recording. So it's disabled once I do that. So let me just go and click on input again. And I need to choose that microphone and patch it with this again because I just plugged my headset. So let me just go and click on R right now. And now I'll be able to record. So how can we record? Simply by hitting this record button. Once I hit this record button, I'll be able to start recording my microphone into DaVinci Resolve. Of course, I keep getting like that because I just plugged my headset, and if I remove it, I'll not get it anymore. So as you can see, when I just removed my headset, the record started. So you can go and pause it whenever you want. You can like close it as all. You can start recording again. And so because I am recording as I said before in my OBS with the same microphone, I had to like mute my PC so you don't hear the sound. That's, I guess you hear this for a moment before I post the video. So now, as I said, let me just go and even delete those. I don't care. Now you can go in here and click on that and you'll be able to start recording your voice. Of course, if you want to stop recording, just click on that option on the left of it and it will stop recording. You can always come here and start hearing yourself and start hearing how does it sound like. Of course, you'll be able to add some effects and a lot of other stuff that you can figure out by your own. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.